What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some easy, no cooking salsa. Ooh, it's going to be so good and make you want to move around and get your groove on. So, let's get to grooving, shall we? Don't forget that drink. Help you move, so, yeah! Woo! That's right, baby. The fresh, prepared salsa. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, you do know that they sell that down at the store, don't you? In a jar. Not too much money. Man, I know that. How do you think I got like this? Un poco gordo. You know, I'm a big man. So, a lot of salsa. And that's the thing about it. I like that salsa. I especially like the kind that they make down there at the restaurante. But every time I go down there, you know me, baby, I get to smoozing and boozing, and before I know it, I'm drunk! And I'd rather be drunk at the house instead of at the restaurant and have to get home. But I want that good salsa too, so we can have the best of both worlds right here. And you're saying to yourself like, oh, it looks like you're already both worlding. Well, I am, because I ain't got time for that shit. I had to get mine to go, and I mean right now. But I will show you how to make it very quickly and very easily, sir. So, first thing that you gotta do is get you some tomatoes. And I'm not talking about a tack of the killer tomatoes. No. I'm talking about some peeled canned tomatoes. Now you're saying to yourself, like, oh, thought you had a garden. Why didn't you get garden fresh tomatoes? Well, my tomatoes, they just want to stay green like Kathy Bates. They won't turn for me. I don't know if it's the hot weather or the sudden, I don't know, man. But I'm trying to fool with them, and maybe I'll have some fresh ones soon. But for now, peeled canned will do. Now, this is the thing about this salsa. You can make it thick or you can make it thin. You can make it old okra or new okra. You can do what you want to do. So, if you like it kind of runny, don't drain anything off. If you want your salsa thick and mighty, drain some of it off. So, I went ahead and drained some and plopped that down in the bowl. Next thing that you got to do, start cutting up your vegetables. The first thing that I got to cut up today, some cilantro. And I know it looks like some wacky weed, Snoop D-O double G, but it's not. It's just the old salons. Cut that up and cut it up finely, sir, because I don't want any real big chunks of anything in my stuff. You know what I'm talking about? Next thing that you gotta do, get that crybaby walker, those onions, and chop them up finely as well. The last vegetable that I have that we have to chop today, and I have to take a little bite, but I won't because it'll get me. Poblano pepper, baby. I wanted a little heat in mind, you know, a little Val Kilmer. So, I went ahead and got some poblano pepper, cut it up fine once again, and I'm going to take that and put it in this salsa too. Now, like I said, we got the tomatoes in there. Then you want to go ahead and kind of crush your tomatoes because they are whole. Now, you're saying, like, oh, what do? You use a whisk? Do you use a blender? Do you use a fork? You could use any one of those things. Me, myself, I went ahead and washed my old grabbers and stuck them right in there and kind of gave those tomatoes a nice sensual massage, baby, while we've listened to some Tito Fuente. So, need a refill. Now, you got your tomatoes in there, you got them crushed. Go ahead and take some of that cilantro and make it rain, baby. Make it rain on them hoes and get it good. Next thing that you gotta do, take that onion, put it down in there too. Follow it up by your poblano, that spicy, nicey, just like me, baby. Then I went ahead and added a little jalapeno, just the jarred jalapeno. Good, make it spicy, nicey. Ooh, so then you know I went ahead and got a chip. I did a little secret taste test while nobody was looking. Tasted all right, but it kind of needed some more things. So turned around and I added just a little bit of salt, pretty decent amount. And really, you're just doing this to your taste because it's the thing about it, you know. You want this to your taste. So, add a little bit of salt, got to thinking about the salt, and I said, you know what this needs is some lime. Looked around, didn't have any lime, but looked at my beer can here, and I said, well, hot diggity dog, limon y sal. That sucker's got lime in it right there. So, why not just give this a nice good beer flavor, a nice little drink? I want one too. And I poured that right down in the stew, the salsa, baby, that merengue. So, got that in there, and got the salt, added a little jalapeno juice because it wasn't quite hot enough. it was. I just got a whiff of it. Whoa! Maybe too much jalapeno juice. And then I added some chili powder. I might not should have done that. And a little garlic salt. Gave everything a good stir. And what do you know, baby? We had our nice little salsa in. I'm gonna see if it chokes me up like it just did through the air. Give me a little kissy wissy in the air. So, we're about to see what it does. I'm excited. I'm already kind of sweating. And I'm ready to go. So, let's have a look. Let's have a sight and get ready for a big old beautiful bite tonight of that homemade salsa, baby. Ooh. Alright, baby, the time has come. The homemade salsa is done. And I'm having that first dip bite for me. You know the rules, George Costanza. One chip, one dip. Now, like I said, I'm sweating profusely already. I think I may have made a terrible mistake. We'll see. Woo! Nope. Wow. It's hot. It's got a little wang to it. And that good tomato flavor. That's good stuff. Muy bueno, my friend. So, I want to thank y'all for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. Enjoy that salsa and that cerveza. And I'll see you next time, baby. Ooh, baby, baby.